Most people think breaking into IT means dropping £1,000 on a CompTIA exam before you've even decided if you like the field. That is completely backwards. There are real, recognized, recruiter-friendly certifications you can earn right now for zero money. Not trial versions, not the training is free but the exam is 200 quid. Genuinely free, with a proper certificate at the end. In the next 7 minutes, I'll walk you through the top 5 free IT certifications you can stack this year, in the order I'd actually take them. Stick around for number 1, because it's the one that gets you past automated CV filters at almost every entry-level cybersecurity job in the UK and the US. Let's get into it. Number 5. Cisco Networking Basics, on the Cisco Networking Academy. Picture the last time your home internet went down. You restarted the router, the lights blinked, and somehow your phone started loading TikTok again. That is networking, in one sentence. Packets, paths, and the boxes that move them. The problem is, most beginners try to learn networking from a textbook and quit by chapter 3. Cisco's free Networking Basics course fixes that. You get interactive labs, a built-in network simulator called Packet Tracer, and a digital badge at the end you can pin to your LinkedIn profile. Here's what tripped me up the first time I tried this. I assumed free badge meant worthless badge. It isn't. Cisco is the company that makes most of the actual routers and switches running the internet. Their name on your profile means something, even at the foundational level. Use this one to find out whether networking clicks for you before you commit to the paid CCST or CCNA exams later. Number 4. Fortinet Certified Fundamentals in Cybersecurity, known as FCF. Fortinet is one of the big 3 firewall vendors on the planet. Their training portal hands out a stack of free certifications, and the Certified Fundamentals track is the one to start with. You'll cover threat landscape basics, how firewalls actually inspect traffic, and what a security operations center analyst does on a Tuesday morning. The exam is free, the certificate is real, and recruiters at managed security service providers absolutely recognize it. So why does this one matter more than a random Udemy course? Because vendor certifications carry weight that generic training does not. Fortinet on your CV tells a hiring manager you've touched a tool they probably use in production. Number 3. AWS CloudQuest Cloud Practitioner Role. Cloud is where the jobs are. We all know this. The catch is that the official AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam costs around $100, and a lot of beginners burn that money before they're ready. AWS CloudQuest is Amazon's free alternative. It's a gamified learning platform where you build actual cloud architectures inside a browser-based role-playing game. Yes, really. You walk a little avatar around a virtual city, solving problems by spinning up real AWS services in a sandbox account. At the end, you earn a digital badge from Amazon. Not the full cloud practitioner cert, to be clear, but a recognized credential from the largest cloud provider on Earth. It's also the single most fun way to learn cloud I've ever found. If that didn't click yet, hold on. The point isn't the badge by itself. The point is you finish CloudQuest knowing whether you actually enjoy cloud work before spending money on the paid exam. Quick breather. Notice the pattern here. Each of these certs is doing 2 jobs at once. It's giving you a credential, and it's giving you a low-cost way to test whether a specialism is right for you. That's the real value of free certifications. Career exploration that pays you in badges. Number 2. The Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, on Coursera. This one comes with an asterisk. Coursera lists it at around $49 a month. But Google offers full financial aid to anyone who applies and explains why they need it. The application takes 10 minutes. Approval rates are extremely high for genuine learners. What do you get? 8 courses covering security frameworks, Linux command line, SQL, Python, incident response, and SIEM tools like Chronicle and Splunk. That's a complete entry-level cybersecurity foundation, taught by working Google security engineers. It also feeds directly into Google's hiring consortium, which includes companies like Deloitte, Mandiant, and T-Mobile. Finishing this cert puts your CV in front of those employers automatically. Think of it as the closest thing you'll get to a free cybersecurity bootcamp from a FAA company. And number 1, ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity, the CC. ISC2 is the organization behind the CISSP, the most respected cybersecurity certification in the world. A few years ago, they launched something called the 1 Million Certified in Cybersecurity Initiative. The goal was to get 1 million new people into the field. The mechanism was to make the Certified in Cybersecurity exam, plus all the official training, completely free. That offer is still running. Let me say that again because it's slightly mad. A globally recognized ANSI-accredited cybersecurity certification from the same body that runs the CISSP is currently being given away for free. Training included, exam included, digital certificate included. You sit a 2-hour, 100-question exam covering security principles, business continuity, access controls, network security, and security operations. Pass it and you have a credential that gets you past automated HR filters at companies that previously wouldn't read past your CV. This is the single highest return on investment certification available in IT right now. There is no excuse not to take it. So that's the stack. Cisco Networking Basics, Fortinet FCF, AWS Cloud Quest, Google Cybersecurity Certificate, and ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity at number 1. 5 free certifications ordered so each one builds on the last. A complete entry-level pathway for the grand total of £0. If this was useful, hit subscribe. We publish certification roadmaps and exam strategy videos every week. And when you're ready to push past the free tier into paid certs like Security Plus, CISSP, head to CertCrush.app. That's CertCrush.app. You'll find full study guides, practice questions, and exam day strategies for every major IT certification. Thanks for watching. Now go and book that first free exam.